Now let us look at some activities or worksheets related to this unit. First one is based on decision tree. Now, as you know, a decision tree is usually a graphical representation of data for predicting outcomes on the basis of conditional statements. So, a decision tree is given below, which starts from the color attribute. So, on the basis of your learning, you have to answer the following question. What is the label of the root node? So, like I explained, that root node is the very first node in your decision tree. So, color is equal to red is the root node. How many branches or edges does the tree have? Now here the branches are the arrows or the flow of controls that are there. So the number of arrows given in this decision tree is the number of branches or edges. So total 10 arrows we can see in this decision tree. So number of branches or edges is 10. How many leaf nodes does the tree have? So leaf node are the outcomes that we are getting.
The total number of leaf nodes given in the decision tree is 6, 3 buy and 3 don't buy.
What are the conditions available in the tree? So the conditions, various conditions are given, like model is greater than 2010. Then another condition is color is equal to red. Another condition is mileage is less than 50,000 km. And another condition is make is equal to Ferrari. And the first and foremost condition is color is equal to red. So whatever is given in gray, that is the condition. The next activity is based on drawing decision trees based on the given data. A data set consisting of 4 predictors and 1 target is given. So the parameters or predictors which affect the target are outlook, temperature, humidity and wind, and the target is playing cricket. So now you have to draw a decision tree for this data set. Outlook parameter. How many options are given over here? So one is rainy, one is sunny, one is overcast. So 3 outlooks are given over here. In outlook we are having 3 outlook. So the outlook is rainy, sunny and overcast. So now if rainy is there, then again in temperature we must see how many options we are getting. So rainy is cool, then rainy mild, rainy cool. So in rainy we are getting 2 options. One is cool and one is mild. Hot we are not getting. So one is cool and one is mild. Now with sunny we have hot and only hot. So with sunny we just have one type of temperature, that is hot. Mild, cool and hot. All the 3 are there. So cool, mild and next is humidity. So here one is high and one is normal. Now wind, strong, weak. Wind is of 2 types. One is strong, one is weak. Now once we are done with making all the parameters, we have to take a decision, yes or no, if the weather is perfect for playing cricket or not. Rainy, cool, high, strong. So rainy, cool, high, strong. The weather is not good for playing. So here the question is playing cricket. So here it is no. So like this all the options will have answer whether yes or no. Rainy, cool, normal, weak. So rainy, cool, normal, weak, then also it is no. Sunny, hot, high, weak. Sunny, hot, high, weak. So this one is yes. Then overcast, mild, high, strong. Overcast, mild, high, strong. This one is yes. So like this you have to match all the parameters, outlook, temperature, humidity, wind, and then Just pick up first row, the first combination, see that in the decision tree and write yes or no in the final decision. Last activity is based on recognizing the relationship. So this Venn diagram has been explained in the starting of the video. So here you have to fill up the Venn diagram labeled as 1, 2, 3 and depict the correct relationship among these fields. And also you can search on the internet more about these fields and try to define them in your own words. So this was all about this topic. Thank you.